H for Harper. Today we're opening Sunshine and Soul's homemade Play-Doh. You've seen our Christmas videos or other ones, so let's open it. Ooh, Legos. And Mickey and Donald Duck and Mickey and Pluto. And here's the homemade Play-Doh. Red and yellow. Red and yellow. Yellow is my favorite color. And here's some trees and a bow. She forgot to glue it. That's silly. She forgot to glue it. And here's some wood. Okay, that's the end of the box. Let's dump this out. Ready, set, go. Right, we need to open it. Ready, set, go. Whoa! Some of the pom-poms. Okay, it comes with a cute little chick, ice cream and rainbow, and 2 yellow bricks. I always wanted yellow bricks. I never had it before. And red bricks, and a big brick, a big yellow brick, and a big black brick, and another red brick, and one yellow pom-pom, and one purple pom-pom. Wait, another ice cream. I don't know how I forgot about that. A popsicle. I don't know how I forgot about that too. And some some letters, and stars and a dog bone, and some peach pom-poms too, some peach ones, yellow and blue, and white pom-poms, and Play-Doh, and some cute flowers, 1 flower, 2 flowers. This one has sparkles in it, and this one does not have sparkles in it. Okay, so let's start doing it. Let's have a contest. Okay, Mommy? Let's have a contest.
What kind of contest?
A sing contest. You're gonna make a scene like me. Mommy, we're gonna divide it.
Okay, you make yours first.
Okay.
And then when we're done with the video, Mommy will make mine.
Actually, I might need a flower. Let's mush it down. And let's make a flower. Whoa! I think we need more Play-Doh. I obviously love Play-Doh. There we go, cute flower. Ooh, let's add one of these. Hey guys, we got all these choices. 2 ice creams, and 1 rainbow, and 1 cute chickie.
Cute. I like the little chick.
Yeah. Wait, and a popsicle. I think, guys, which one do you want? I want the chick.
I think the chick goes with the flower.
Yeah, the chick goes with the flower. Really good. There we go. Chicky, chick. Chick. And I want a rainbow because it goes well with the chick and the flower.
It's really soft Play-Doh, isn't it?
Yeah. Stick. Mine is the most cutest. Were you crying?
I was laughing. I was chuckling.
No chuckling, yeah, nice scene. Cute peachy pom-poms. Wait, cute peach pom-poms. First we need to put the Play-Doh down. Then we need to put this. My name is Harper, and it's Harper, but my first thing of my name is H.
Good job.
And I love popsicles and ice creams, and I'm taking these ones. and a nice star. Stick it. First, let's put the Play-Doh, and now stick right here. Now,
Is this like a little picnic
no.
for the characters?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're gonna enjoy those popsicles.
You mean ice cream and popsicle?
Yes.
Ah. There we go. Now let's add a star right there. My scene. Actually, we're adding 2 stars to the scene. My scene. Now next star. And next star. And now I'm making something Lego.
This is an awesome kit, isn't it? It has all your favorite things in one box.
It's a big box.
What are you making, baby?
Brum, 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 brum. A nice car. The car can stand up. And Minnie loves cherries, so yes. You get it. And Pluto needs a dog bone.
Very cute. Yes, you're right. Pluto does need a dog bone.
Yeah. Pluto definitely needs a dog bone. There. Ooh, the pom-pom. There. And Pluto. Ruff, ruff, ruff. He's a ruff, ruff. Yeah, yeah. What do we have here? What can I do? Let me show you how we're gonna make it go on her hand. We're using
Very smart, Harper.
Play-Doh. And I'm putting this,
Wow. Very smart. She's holding ice cream.
and she can, let me show you how I'm gonna get her to go in the car. We're gonna go like that. Her ice cream fell. It's okay. And then we're putting this. Oh, it won't. It just won't budge.
Do you need some help?
Yeah, Mama. I'm using everything yellow.
Is that your favorite color?
Yeah. Yeah, I like the color of sunshine
Okay, let's put the cap on
and
there.
egg yolks.
You love the color of sunshines and egg yolks.
They're the same color.
You're so smart. Ooh, they have a tree for shade.
We're gonna put this in another tree. Let me show you how we're gonna put this tree. First, we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna smush this down, and then we're gonna take more Play-Doh if the sharp thing when sticks out. We're gonna do that, and then we're gonna smush it right here.
Wow.
Right.
Well, I think maybe you need to make it a little flatter on the bottom, baby. You need a base. I like some more. Well, there you go. Okay. Good job.
Now they're gonna have a nice shade. Brum, brum.
Very nice.
Brum, 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 brum.
Poor Mickey, is he napping? And Donald, what's going on with him?
They're just Here you go, Mickey. Oh, I don't have any. I'm so sad. Oh, poor Donald. A popsicle. Yeah, I love popsicles.
Very cute, Harper. Very creative. I want to be there and have a picnic.
Well, it's just a toy. No, it's not. What?
Okay, so what's the verdict? You love this set?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Woohoo!
Say thank you, Sunshine and Soul.
Thank you, Sunshine and Soul. Let's play Play-Doh. Let's play Play-Doh.